Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the clip and enabling After Effects Face Tracker. This gives you the facial landmarks you need. Once imported, trim the comp and set frame rate to match source so tracking math stays stable. Now select the layer, open tracker, and choose Face Tracking, Detailed Features. You do this because detailed points improve stability across expressions. Make sure to disable heavy effects temporarily so the tracker sees raw pixels, and then run a short auto-track pass to generate initial tracking data. Once you have raw tracking data, refine it. Scrub through and correct any misplaced landmarks by nudging individual points. Facial features shift with expression, so manual fixes matter. Then stabilize the track by enabling smoothing or baking keyframes and simplifying curves. This reduces jitter while preserving motion. Create a null and copy or apply the face tracking data to it so you can parent elements like retouches or graphics. This separation lets you tweak transform values without rerunning the tracker. You complete the shot by attaching your elements. Stick makeup, patches, or AR graphics to the track null. Pre-compose those elements so their motion matches cleanly. If the face rotates or has occlusion, export the layer to Mocha AE, refine planar solves, and import corner pin or transform data back. Finally, if you see drift or slipping, split the clip and retrack shorter sections, then blend with cross dissolves or hand key additional frames to lock alignment. This extra step fixes most tracking failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.